Hello and welcome. Today we're in Shropshire at Charlton and Jenrick, and we're going to be cooking on the Go Eco Bake Chef and the Go Eco Adventurer.
Before we crack on with cooking on these mighty glamping stoves, here's a bit more about Charlton and Jenrick. Charlton and Jenrick have been manufacturing and supplying the fireplace industry since 1986. They believe that nothing is as welcoming as a living flame, whether you want a stove or a fire. They have a type and design that is ideal for you to take pride of place in your home. Over the years, Charlton and Jenrick have grown to offer a number of industry-leading brands covering all aspects and channels of the fireplace and stove industry. These are Paragon, K-Tel, Fireline, Pure Vision, Panache, Infinity Fires, and lastly, Go Eco. And it's Go Eco that we're here for today. We're set to see two glamping stoves from the Go Eco range, both of them cooking up a storm and showing us why they're the perfect camping companion. Before we see some delicious demonstrations of both of these stoves' cooking capabilities, we'll give you some tasty morsels of information about their other benefits. Firstly, the Go Eco Bake Chef. It has an air wash system that cleans the glass as the stove is operated, which ensures a clear view of the flames. Also, it has a patented tertiary air system that creates cleaner combustion, which increases the efficiency of the stove. Not only that, it has an extra large flame viewing window for both the firebox and the oven. The oven itself is of a good large size, which will accept full-size bakeware and other ovenware items. On top, there's a standard stainless steel cooking surface that accommodates pans between 28 and 32 centimetres. As you can see here, the lovely people at Charlton and Jenrick are rustling up some delicious chicken and potatoes for us, and it smells absolutely fantastic as well. With the oven reaching temperatures of up to 200 degrees C and above, you have the capabilities to cook incredible roast dishes. There are separate, simple air control sliders to control the air wash and oven temperature, plus stainless steel handles, trims, ash pan and all other fixings make for durability and long service. There are also optional extras that include a flue heat shield or a firebox heat shield. Both are accessories that allow you to customise your stove whilst also offering a bit of protection from the heat within. The small but mighty Go Eco Adventurer 5 is the ultimate in warmth, character, ambience, practicality and versatility. It's a fresh design by an experienced team and looks the business. There's some delicious ribs going into this stove, and while they're cooking, here's some more information about it. The Go Eco Adventurer 5 has some great heat shielding options for multiple installation configurations. It has an attractive, characterful design which will enhance any living space. Like the Go Eco Bake Chef, it has an extra large air wash flame viewing window. It's also SIA Eco Design 2022 compliant for future-proof peace of mind and is DEFRA approved for smoke control areas. It also has 86% efficiency and is A+ for best-in-class performance. With this stove, you have a stainless steel cooking top that can accommodate pans between 28 and 30 centimetres. What makes this stove so great is its adaptive personalisation, and with a range of specially designed and interchangeable optional accessories, you can do an awful lot with this stove. The oven that you can see on top here cooking our beautiful ribs is insulated and also lifts off to allow room for pans and kettles. There are also warming shelves that can fit inside the oven. Between the Bake Chef and the Adventurer, we've been treated to an absolute feast of roast chicken thighs, roast potatoes, ribs, and some fried onions and vegetables as well. And honestly, it is absolutely delicious. Head to directstoves.com now to find both of these amazing glamping stoves on the website. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to the Direct Stoves YouTube channels for all of our future videos. Thanks for watching.